engineering company sa Saskatchewan na
I'm a Filipino-Canadian architect sharing my experience as a project manager.
Ano daw ang mga engineering company sa Saskatchewan na alam mo sa specifically oil and gas? I know you mentioned na yung potash mining is
the industry there.
Yun ang industry sa Saskatchewan. So, sila yung mga nag-hire ng mga engineers, right?
Yeah.
Para sa industry na yun. Pero meron din silang oil and gas. Someone wants to know about oil and Someone wants to know about oil and gas.
WSP, Stantec, Wood Group,
Fluor Daniel, meron doon?
Wala. I thought you said just oil and gas.
Sa oil and gas sa Saskatchewan.
No, that's the all I know. That's the three I know that.
Yung mga malaki.
Oh, tsaka yung mga may kilala akong employed doon.
Oh, okay. Nandoon pa sila?
Wala na.
Nag-move na sa Edmonton?
Oh.
Okay.
Kasi ganun din. On and off din ng ng potash mining doon eh. May quota ata sila tapos titigil eh.
Okay. Pero malaki din ang sahod sa potash in mining.
I guess.
Yeah. Better than commercial, di ba?
Yeah.
Tsaka residential engineers.
Mining is yung parang specialized field din ng mining, di ba?
Oo, parang oil and gas specialized din sila.
Yung may risk din sa mining, tsaka parang sa oil and gas may risk.
Pero kung nasa opisina ka naman, wala din namang problema, di ba? Kung halimbawa designer ka at nasa office ka, yung risk lang na sinasabi mo is kung nandoon sila sa site. Right? Yeah. So ayun, hindi ako makakamay. At saka tiningnan ko kanina, kapag if you Google, bihin mo engineering company sa Saskatchewan, ang daming lumilitaw din. Kaya pwede mong gawin yon and then go from there.
Yeah, yung mga kilala ko, ginawa nilang stepping stone kumbaga. Makakuha ng experience sa mining and then it's related to oil and gas. Tapos nag-apply na sila sa yung mga totoong oil and gas sa Alberta, ganun.
Oh, so yung potash engineering, yun ang sinasabi mong ginagawa nilang stepping stone para mapunta sa oil and gas. And then they moved to Edmonton.
Alberta.
Alberta in general. Kasi nga naman, mas maliit na city ang Saskatchewan, right? Compared sa Edmonton. Province. Mas maliit na province.
The cities are Saskatoon and Regina.
Oh, okay.
So, as you move further west, gusto lang mag-west hanggang sa makarating siguro ng BC, ganun.
Oh, okay. So, yung mga, okay. I guess meron tayong mga kakilala doon na doon sa Saskatchewan, unang lipat, and then, yun ang stepping stone nila, and then they move. And then, they move farther and farther hanggang sa medyo mas mainit, right?
Yeah.
Like, I think the warmest place I know is Victoria in BC. Tapos, yung Oceus, mainit din doon, right? Yeah. Anyway, I hope that helps. And I hope that you say have a beautiful day.
Have a beautiful day.
Mahiyain siya.